All right, so what we've got here is a MeatMate app, and it's to show how easy it is. We're sitting inside. The Bluetooth's got quite a large range, and I've set this lamb roast up to be medium. So you can see there, that's the alarm, and it's quite loud. Well, I'll stop that. And then that lets me know it's done. Now you can't miss it. You can have the phone in your pocket. You can do whatever you like. So the MeatMate has told us, both on the app and on the unit, that this lamb roast is ready. So you can see the temperatures there. What we'll do is we'll open it, have a look. Looks fantastic. This leg of lamb, a full leg of lamb. We've got one probe into the meat itself, so we can tell when it's cooked. And we've got another probe just stuck onto the side of the tray, giving me the temperature of the oven, so I can control that. So this is all sweet. Turn that off. That's done. That's all there is to it. The MeatMate makes me look like a pro.